Hey, crime enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of forensic science. Buckle up, because I'm about to break down 7 key principles every crime buff should know. Ready? Let's go! First up, the law of exchange. This principle, also known as Locard's exchange principle, states that whenever 2 objects come into contact, there is always a transfer of material. Think of it like leaving a fingerprint on a glass or a hair on a carpet. Every contact leaves a trace. This means that even the smallest interaction can leave behind crucial evidence that can be used to solve a crime. Next, we've got the principle of individuality. This one's all about uniqueness. No 2 objects or individuals are exactly alike. Fingerprints, DNA, even wear and tear patterns on a shoe, each tells a story unique to its owner. This uniqueness is what makes forensic evidence so powerful in identifying suspects. All right, moving on to the law of comparison. This principle emphasizes the need to compare evidence from the crime scene with a known sample. For example, matching a bullet from a crime scene to a specific gun. By comparing these samples, forensic scientists can establish connections and draw conclusions about the evidence. Comparison is key to linking evidence to suspects. Without it, the evidence would be just isolated pieces of information. Now, let's talk about the principle of linkage. This principle highlights the interconnectedness of evidence. It's all about linking people, places, and objects involved in a crime. By understanding these connections, forensic scientists can piece together the sequence of events. Imagine a puzzle where every piece is crucial to seeing the bigger picture. Each piece of evidence helps to build a comprehensive understanding of the crime. The 5th principle is the law of probability. Forensic science isn't always about certainty, sometimes it's about probability. This law helps scientists understand how likely it is that a certain event or characteristic is due to chance. By calculating probabilities, they can assess the strength of the evidence. It's crucial in interpreting evidence. Probability helps to quantify the level of confidence in the findings. Next in line is the law of progressive change. This principle states that all objects change over time. A body decomposes, a metal rusts, or a document fades. These changes can provide valuable information about the timeline of events. Understanding these changes helps forensic scientists determine the timeline of events. By analyzing the state of the evidence, they can estimate when certain actions took place. Last but not least, we have the law of analysis. This principle is about examining evidence in a methodical and logical manner. It's the backbone of forensic science, ensuring that every piece of evidence is scrutinized carefully and systematically. Without thorough analysis, the evidence would be meaningless. So there you have it, 7 essential principles of forensic science that help crack the toughest cases. Whether it's tracing a smudge or decoding DNA, these principles guide forensic experts in their quest for justice. They provide a framework for understanding and interpreting the evidence. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of forensics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries